What's up guys, this is Muffinsaurs here, and today we will be drawing cat expressions. If you have watched my previous tutorial on how to draw cats, you would have known how to draw the pose and the normal poker face expression. So today we'll be going more in depth into different expressions that you can try. And these are a few that I can come up with for you to learn and perhaps try. It's okay, you can always try your own expression too. There's like no right or wrong in this. As you see, the first cat that I drew is the normal poker face cat. And secondly, I'm going to try something a little more fun. Add a little smile on the bottom of the mouth to make it look like the cat is smiling with her mouth open. Perhaps more happy. Did like the hand gesture to make him look excited about something. And the next cat, I gave it a little sad look, or perhaps you can say it's confused. And now we have a very shocked cat. I put the hand about on the cheeks to make him, to emphasize how shocked he is. Like, oh my goodness, what's going on with them? Next we have cats with fangs. Could be a vampiric cat or a feral cat, or perhaps it's just hungry or has big teeth. Who knows? And then we have a very happy cat with the mouth wide open, going yay or feed me because the tongue is exposed. And next we have a pouty cat, so it's like kiss me, or I'm feeling a bit sad and I pout and like give me some love. Other than the usual dot for eyes, you can also try drawing big googly eyes to emphasize on a big expression, like you're staring deep in thought or you're shocked. So you can play around with the eyes, and you can also add like lines to make him like really suspicious about the other cat that's looking shocked beside him, or then he's unhappy. If you give him an unhappy mouth, he'll obviously look unhappy, and you can always fold their hands and make him look like you're really very unhappy about that cat beside. And this is another unhappy look. Instead of using big googly eyes, I have them drawn in lines instead. This is more like a judging cat, right? So there's so many things that you can actually play with, and you can have the shock head. So if you draw the pupil like small dots instead of a thicker dot, you'll look more shocked. Like this cat that I'm drawing again is even more shocked at the one beside that looks shocked at staring at something. Okay, the one beside is shocked at staring at something, and this one has like a triple neck shock. I don't even know what I'm talking about now. How do people actually talk and voice over for like 10 minutes straight? I have got no idea. And now I have the big googly eyes with tears, so the cat is in pain or crying, or perhaps begging for something, like begging for treats. Or perhaps he lost something, or maybe the dog ate his toy. Who knows? There's so many things you can play with and come up with different story for the characters. And these are the big Puss in Boots eyes that you see. The Puss in Boots in Shrek, they have their big eyes. So to emphasize that, I have like stars drawn in between. And it's a bit manga anime style, I guess. I guess my style is more of like a mix. I'm so not sure. And this is a different eye, perhaps a seductive kitty. And it has eyelashes. Alright, cats don't have eyelashes. Please do not wear eyelashes on your cats. And hugs. If you made hearts for eyes, it will look like as if the cat is in love with the sassy cat beside him. And I drew like saliva to make him go gaga over her. Then we have like googly eyes staring upwards with two lines to emphasize a sad cat. Aww. Perhaps it's stuck in the rain or something. So you can choose to add like tears to make him look more sad, or you can choose not to use tears instead. And we have a cat with squinty eyes, perhaps in shock, or he's constipated maybe. And the other cat is just confused and judging him like, what's up with you? So there's so many things you can play with, and do feel free to come up with your own. Really, I would love to see it. And now I have like eyes on fire. Perhaps it's a raging passion or something, or maybe he's upset about something. So I had like my mouth and teeth all open too. And the one beside him It's breathing fire. Yeah, you can go crazy. It's doodling. You can let your cats do whatever they want. Perhaps the cat breathe fire into that guy's eyes and he's like, ah, my eyes on fire, help! Maybe the mouth is like in pain instead. And now we have a shock kitty. So to emphasize on the shock, yeah, I guess it's a shock. I had lines at the side too. So it's very Japanese style here to do shock, and yeah, it's more scared, I guess. And we have a sleeping kitty. You just draw the eyes in U shape, and yeah, then it look like they're sleeping. And add some ZZZ on the top. Now, I don't know how I come up with this. And now we have a greedy cat sticking out its tongue. Actually, you can draw the cat the normal poker face and just the tongue sticking out. And if you don't want to make it like give them such a big mouth. And we have another confused cat below the confused cat. So these are the few expressions that you can try on your cats. You can also use them on bunnies, you know. Next time I'll try to do another tutorial on dog expression. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye!